My name is Alex Horne. I'm studying practical nursing at Hennepin Tech. And the way that I got involved at Hennepin Tech is I was going to Highview and I wanted to start kind of looking into some programs. And I looked on the wall and I had seen like a little poster set up about Hennepin Tech and kind of some of the things that were offered there. I sent Miss Jen an email about me participating here, and that was kind of the start of me like coming here, my experience here. Before I came to Hennepin Tech, I didn't really have a good relationship with school. It's been a very different like experience coming from, what I'm used to with school to coming here. Don't get me wrong, we have like our paper assignments and things like that and like the paper part of the work, but like during my CNA course, we had a lot of hands-on. Like we were working with each other like straight out of the gate. We were working on like the mannequins and completing the skills. Well, I kind of been going through the stages right now. So right now I'm a CNA, and then I want to go to LPN and then a bachelor's degree and become an RN, and then the end goal is to become a pediatric CRNA. I honestly didn't know if I was going to get a job right away. I didn't know like what was kind of going to happen. But like right after I passed the CNA test, I think that I got my first job like 3 weeks after that. And ever since then, it's been pretty good. Like working as a CNA, it's been like amazing. Just kind of like talking to everybody, and I guess I have good energy. I'm always super like hyper, so they always like think of me like I'm their grandson, I guess, or one of their grandkids. So it's definitely been a pretty great experience. It makes you feel good. It definitely makes me feel like I'm doing something productive. When I walk out of these doors after a day of class here, I always feel like I'm making progress in my goals and towards my life and how I want to live my life later in my future. So it definitely makes me feel good, like I'm doing something. I would definitely say do it and encourage them to come here, because honestly, I don't know like what I would even be doing right now if I wasn't going to Hennepin Tech. And like the atmosphere and the environment, like the people you meet, sometimes they're probably going to be older than you, but the classes and the teachers, it's so much support here. And like I feel like being here, I'm kind of set up in a better position to excel like later in life, and I'm kind of like already building the foundation for my future. So if somebody was in where I was at a few years ago when I was in school, I would definitely say do it 100%. The teachers here and the support staff here and the people here, like they actually want you to do good. They want you to have a good future. They want you to succeed. They want to see you walk the stage at the end of, whatever degree, whatever amount of time that you're spending here. So I would definitely say that they're a big part of my time here at Hennepin Tech and like my study but gradual progress into becoming something great.